Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you safely how to raise and support a 2007 Mini Cooper S. If you need parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. To lift up on the vehicle, the best location is over on the four corners. Right here there's a little pad, and there's one on the back as well on the driver's side. There's also the same on the passenger side. There's those pads. That's the best place to lift the vehicle up from. And then if you had to support the vehicle, you could use a floor jack or a support from right here. You could also do it on this subframe right here and right here. It's better to have the locations further out when supporting the vehicle, but those are the locations that would make lifting the vehicle and supporting it safely.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.